Hello everyone, Panda here. Hope you're doing well today guys, because I'm doing insanely good and I'm so excited for our today trading session for our video, so uh, you will be surprised. Today I will tell you how to make really easy money using RSI. RSI tells you a lot, more than charts itself. Before we start, as always guys, do not forget to like this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell button so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Before we start, just remember that the patience, the time, and the trading experience you need to trade to get this experience is the most important stuff for the trader to even consider starting trading. Let's move to our first deal. And where will be our first deal? Because I was thinking that we should stick to one pair for this video and do not switch between pairs, rapidly. Let's take a look. And on Euro Canadian dollar, I can see a very good potential for our trading session here. So what we can see? We can see that we have a huge consolidation on RSI in the oversell zone. And now we're trying to leave it towards overbuy zone. We already reached the middle of RSI, and we're already making a small retracement for it. So I'm expecting a break through the middle of RSI for continuation of the attempts to reach overbuy zone. And yep, so it can go something like that. And generally, I can see the price will go higher. Of course, we can fail, but we shall see. And as you already see, we're already breaking through the middle of RSI, so I need to be quick not to waste this opportunity. And I'm entering the deal not in the perfect spot, but it's still okay. It's still okay because I'm pretty confident that we will go higher. Why is it so? We already retested the middle of RSI. We touched it, we retraced, and then we break through. Even we have a huge potential on the RSI, how to reach the overbuy zone. As well on the chart, we have enough space for the next, few, maybe even explosive pump towards the first level of resistance, which is our previous consolidation. As you can see, I'm holding the double up button, and today I will tell you a little bit more about double up button. Double up is basically, it's like the covering process, but you do not waste your expiration time, so you're basically making it in terms of the same deal, however, with the best or maybe better entry point. If, for example, right now the candle will go down, but then it will go higher, so it will be the fake dump, I can use double up option to make a better entry point, to improve it. Break through the middle of RSI as we done previously. However, with the dumps, we fell through the middle of RSI, we retest the fell through, and then we go in, we continue the price drop. However, on the pump situation, we usually reach the middle of RSI, we make a small retracement from it, like to gather the energy for the further pump, and then we break through. If the bars are weak, we can make additional retest as it was here, and then we can continue our uptrend towards our overbuy zone, or maybe go deep into it. Even if right now it will, make a small slow with our uptrend, we already earned a very good entry point here, so I'm pretty confident that we will receive some profits. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Our first profitable deal, it was relatively easy. As you can see, there is nothing hard for it. But do not forget guys that I'm teaching more of it in my Telegram groups, and I have a partnership where you can become a partner. You will receive more knowledge, more trades, more signals, more sessions. Do not forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, and do not forget to drop me a message with "I want to join the team." So what we can see here is the good opportunity for our second deal. Our second deal can have two options. First one, which is more likely for me, is that we will bounce back from this level of resistance to basically gather energy, and make another attempt to go up. But what we can do is we can basically break through this level of resistance, we can retest it, and then we can go higher to update our highs and reach at least these two levels of resistances. Based on this candle, I'm not sure that we will do that, so I need to consider opening the lower deal here, because this is the huge seller activities. This long shadow on the previous candle is screaming, shouting for me that go lower, we will not be able to break through right now, we need some retracement. So I'm opening the lower deal. If it will be, a second pump or, some huge pump, I will just use my double up option. So I will save my expiration time, but I will get myself a pretty improved entry point, but not this time. So let's consider what we have the options here. So this is our first zone of resistance that we were not able to break through. We should, some kind of retrace to at least middle level of RSI, and after that we shall see. One of the possible options is that we reach middle of RSI, we go to our buy zone. Our second option is that we fell through the middle of RSI, then we retest and we continue our downtrend. But as you can see here, there is nothing even remotely near this. So we're trying to hold our uptrend. It will be not successful. We will try to reach the middle of RSI. Very important thing, we need to see how exactly we will reach the middle of RSI on RSI and on chart. On chart you can see that we making a huge dump, and we coming closer to the RSI. On RSI we touched it. On chart, if this candle will be closed like that, I will consider that this is the successful retest of the middle of RSI. If not, we will be in much worse position for our uptrend. So to this level, to be precise, on chart we have. And what we're doing right now is we going towards middle of RSI, and this is another confident profitable deal for us. So as you can see, it's pretty easy profit. But what will happen next? If we will close just like that right now, just like that, without any shadows, but the candle with its body will be closed like that, I will consider going higher. However, what we can see is, yeah, okay, we reached middle of RSI, and I will open our higher deal because this will be a retracement from the middle of RSI. However, we need to be very careful what's going next. This deal is pretty confident. Retracement from RSI, it's easy money for the price drop. Like, I cannot say nothing more about it. So what we have here is that we created the retracement from the previous level of support here, and this is the zone. We even reached the deepest zone of this support level, and for now I consider going up. We need to update the highs. We need to update the highs based on that, because if we will not do that, we will lose all of our uptrend potential, and we will just go lower and lower, and maybe we will reach again the oversell zone before even considering going to the overbuy zone. So what's happening right now is that, yeah, we're going higher. This is the pretty confident deal. However, guys, let's see on our entry point what it tells us for the further deals. As you can see, we have a very big shadow of buying potential on our candle that we entered into the deal, and on RSI we did not touch the middle, and yeah, and we failed to update the highs. So after that deal, guys, honestly, I think that we lost our uptrend potential. I think that we need to consider going for the price drop. This deal is already profit because it's just the technical deal where you just consider reaching the middle of RSI, small retracement, and continuation of whatever trend there is. It's pretty clear and obvious for me. So now we have our profit today, and as you can see, we did not update the highs, and on RSI we did not touch the RSI. So basically we will do this with current candle, but this continuation of the movement, it's already the downtrend that is forming right now. So of course we can go a little bit lower, then we can retest the middle of RSI and continue our price drop. We even can, some kind of retrace from this level of support, which for me seems to be very good, but it's still an option, so we can reach it and then we can bounce back. But no, we reached the middle of RSI with our second movement, which was not able to update the highs, so I consider right now that we will go lower. We just need to get a perfect entry point for going lower here, and it should be at the start of the candle, basically at the beginning of the minute. So let's consider going into the deal approximately in the nearest few seconds. So yeah, we reached the middle of RSI, and we failed to do this previously, so currently it's not a good option for us to do. So let's wait for this candle to close, so we will start our movement with the new candle. And let's make it right now. Let us see it go higher, lower, no? Let's do it. Let's do it now. Okay, so as you can see, we entered into the deal basically at the beginning of the candle, even if it was, 20 seconds later. The entry point is what matters, and now we can see the fake pump. Why I'm considering this even to be the fake pump? Because we did not reach the RSI, the middle of RSI, we did not touch it with our first retracement from the previous level of resistance. And when we touched it with the second without updating the highs, this is already deforming the downtrend movement right now. And for this fake pump, on my opinion, I will use the double up. Now I will for sure use the double up. I need to do this twice because I entered to the $2,000, so now I basically must do it twice to cover my loss and to make some enough profits. And let's wait for this candle to close. Let's see how the next candle will behave. Yeah, let's make it here. Let's make it here at the beginning of the candle. Beginning of the candles is basically the perfect entry point, like always. It's always the biggest, the juiciest entry point, because even if it will go down at least 1 point or up, depending on what your current trade in, you will receive a profit. It's very, very important, and you know, in much more safety when there is the very weak activity of both sellers or buyers. So we have 4,000 at the top, we have the 2,000 at the bottom, we have the same expiration time of 29 seconds left, and let's see what's going on. So now we're trying to update our previous high, after which we reach the middle of RSI, but no, it will be not successful either. On chart, however, we will see the shadow, and on chart we will update the high, but it doesn't matter that this will be represented, on RSI. And on RSI, as you can see, we are trying right now to go lower, lower and lower, and we have our deal in profit that was very close, but just for you to understand what's going on here, that we are going lower. Thank you so much, guys, for this session. I think that was exciting and very amazing results at the end. We have 4 deals on the same pair, just straight away with profits, and this should be your usual situation when you trade with RSI. As always, guys, do not forget to like this video, do not forget to join my Telegram group, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell button to not miss any upcoming videos, and also, guys, do not forget to drop me a message with "I want to join the team." So you would be able to make more trading sessions with me and receive more knowledge and trading experience that I share absolutely for free. Thank you so much, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Cheers.